So there I am, yeah, absolutely vibing down the canal like the main character in a low-budget Top Gear episode. Sun coming up, water looking majestic, ducks they moving like they pay council tax. I'm cruising thinking life is beautiful. And then I see a sign, tiny little sign, yeah, hidden behind a bush like it's ashamed of itself or something. No motor vehicles. And suddenly I'm riding my electric bike here thinking, hold on, wait a minute, this thing is a motor and I'm technically riding illegally right now? So I started googling and bro, what I found genuinely shocked me. Oh lord, because according to the Canal and River Trust, the people who manage most canals and towpaths in England and Wales, if your e-bike has a throttle and can move without pedaling, it's banned from the towpath. And frowned upon, not used responsibly, banned. And apparently, the police can confiscate it. So now I'm sitting here staring at my e-bike like, brother, are you a bicycle or evidence? Now, the reason loads of e-bike riders don't know this is because UK e-bike law is honestly one of the most confusing things ever created.
Electric fence. You lying, bro. You lying.
It's like it was written by somebody who's never seen an actual e-bike. You can ask 10 e-bike riders, what's legal, bro? And you get 12 answers. One guy says, nah, son, if it's under 1,000 watts, it's calm. Another guy says, nah, kid.
If you wear a helmet, yeah, you can do anything.
Then there's always that guy in the comments.
Actually, under subsection 4, paragraph B of the Electrically Assisted Pedal Cycle Regulations from 1980.
Brother, nobody knows what you're talking about. And here's the crazy part. Most throttle riders generally think they're legal because the bike looks like a bicycle. Pedals? Check. Bike frame? Check. Chain? Check. But legally, the second it moves without pedaling, the law starts looking at differently. To the Canal and River Trust, a throttle e-bike is basically treated closer to a motorbike than a bicycle, bruh. Which sounds insane when you're quietly rolling past swans at 12 miles an hour. But legally, that's the situation. So let's actually talk facts, because people online love making stuff up. The Canal and River Trust updated guidance around towpath use in 2026, and the wording is pretty direct. They specifically say that electric bikes with a throttle, meaning bikes capable of moving without pedaling, are not legal e-bikes for towpath use. And they warn those bikes can be confiscated by the police. Now here's where it gets interesting. In UK e-bike law, there's something called an EAPC, Electrically Assisted Pedal Cycle. That's the magic category. Because if your bike qualifies as an EAPC, legally, it's treated like a normal bicycle. No license, no tax, no insurance, no registration plate. Basically, happy days. But to qualify, it has to follow rules, bro. Maximum continuous rated power of 250 watts. Motor cuts out at 15.5 miles an hour. And the motor is supposed to assist while pedaling. The last part, that's where the throttle situation gets spicy. Because once the bike can propel itself without pedaling, many authorities stop viewing it as a simple pedal cycle. And the Canal and River Trust clearly doesn't want those on towpaths. Now, we all know this rider. Every canal has one. Full-on blacked out tracksuit, balaclava on check, Surron sounding like a microwave fighting for its life, flying past pensioners at 35 miles an hour, scattering geese like bowling pins, bro moving through the canal like GTA side mission energy. And honestly, those riders are the huge reason why rules are tightening up out here, bruh. Because the canal towpath wasn't designed for fast motor traffic. These paths are old, like really old. Some towpaths date back to over 200 years to when horses, bro, used to pull canal boats. Literal horses! Imagine explaining to a Victorian canal worker that one day a man named Kyle will fly past on a 6,000 watt electric sick dead bike carrying a Tesco meal deal. Industrial revolution. Now, personally, I actually understand both sides, bro, because most throttle riders are not causing problems. Most people are just commuting, going fishing, going to work, or just filming YouTube videos pretending they're a Netflix documentary. Most riders are respectful, but rules are usually created around the worst examples. And once enough complaints come in, speed, near misses, pedestrians getting scared, authorities respond with blanket rules. That's usually how this stuff happens. And honestly, canal towpaths are weird legally because they are not exactly roads and not exactly private land either. They're managed access routes with their own rules, which means if something feels harmless, the management authority can still ban it, bro. Alright, simple breakdown. Legal on most canal and river trust towpaths. Pedal assist e-bikes that meet EAPC rules. Motor only assist while pedaling. 250 watt continuous rated motor. Cuts assistance at 15.5 miles an hour. Ride respectively. Slow near pedestrians. Use a bell. Don't ride like you're escaping the police helicopter in Need for Speed. Generally, you're fine. Not legal on towpaths? Throttle bikes, Surrons, talarias, high-power DIY e-bike conversions, anything functioning more like an electric motorbike. And here's something more important. A lot of riders miss this. Even if your bike is technically road legal somewhere else, the towpath can still ban it. Because towpath rules are separate from road rules. That catches a lot of people out. Now, before people panic, this doesn't mean your bike is useless. There are places throttle bikes can legally go. Green lanes, private land with permission, off-road parks, certain byways, motorsport land. And honestly, the UK off-road scene is building up, growing up fast, bro. You've got dedicated e-bike tracks opening up everywhere right now. Because whether people like it or not, electric off-road bikes are exploding in popularity. And you can see why. They're quiet, cheap to run, no petrol, instant torque. You feel like Batman leaving the traffic light. And I get the appeal completely. But the law hasn't fully caught up to the technology just yet. That's the real issue. So yeah, that beautiful, peaceful canal ride, potentially illegal depending on what you're riding, which still feels mad to say out loud. And look, I'm not here telling people what to do. I'm just telling you what the rules actually are so nobody gets blindsided. Because losing your e-bike over a towpath ride will be painful. Especially if you built it yourself. Hours of work, money, upgrade, battery, gone. All because you thought a canal ride was safe. So check the rules around your ways. Know who manages the path around where you at. Ride respectfully, bro. And maybe don't overtake your family or ducks at 40 miles an hour like you're qualifying for MotoGP. Anyway, what do you think? Should throttle e-bikes be allowed on canals if riders are respectful? Because this debate is only getting bigger in the UK. Ride safe, protect your e-bike, and always know the law before the law knows you.
What the hell is that? What is it?
Rasta.